Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another Princess Polly try on haul. I picked out the cutest stuff this time. I kind of wanted to theme it around Valentine's Day. So I did pick up some pieces for all different types of Valentine's Day events, whether it's at night, with date night with your partner, or if it's just a girly lunch. So I picked up some really cute tops, some dresses, some casual outfits, a couple of accessories. Princess Polly is literally like my go-to online shop whenever I have an event or if I need something particular. I feel like Princess Polly always has that. Their sizing is amazing. It's always so true to size. The quality is amazing and it ships super fast. So I love Princess Polly for that. I do have a discount code that they gave me. Once again, I'll leave it on the screen and in the description box down below, as well as all the links to all the pieces that I picked up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first top that I picked up was this blue one. I actually saw this on Instagram. I think they must have posted a photo on it and I was like, oh my God, this is absolutely stunning. It is a little bit longer, so it does have an extra button, but I do really like this top cropped. So I did just fold it up so I can wear it with some high-waisted pants or a skirt and you can still see some skin. I just like that. It just does up here with some buttons. This part isn't stretchy, but this part is. Not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I was like, oh my God, is this even gonna fit over my boobs? This is a size 10. If you do have bigger boobs than me, I would definitely recommend going up a size, but it does fit really nice on my arms. It's not super tight or anything like that. You could wear this top off the shoulder like this, or you could wear it on the shoulder, which is I think the correct way to style it, but I freaking love this top. I can just see myself wearing it with absolutely anything. You could wear it with what I'm wearing now, which I'll show you guys, a denim skirt, denim short, denim jeans. It's just so super cute and like dressy, but also casual as well. I freaking love it. Next thing I picked up were these ribbed flared pants, and how freaking cute does it look with the top. I am absolutely obsessed. I got this also in a size 10. It is quite roomy, but I love that about them. I don't really like wearing flowy pants that are super tight around the waist. I feel like this is the perfect lunch with the girls type outfit, and I also picked up some really cute white heels that I thought I would pair with this outfit, so I'll show you guys them as well. These are the shoes that I picked up. I'm obsessed with slip-on heels at the moment because I honestly hate wearing high heels with a passion. I remember when I used to go clubbing years ago, I would just dread wearing, you know, those like Cook high heels that everyone wore. I'll zoom you guys down so you can see what the shoes look like on, but these are so comfortable. So these are the shoes on. I love the thong detail. Like I love that they are like slip-on high heel thongs. I absolutely love them. And I just feel like these are so versatile. I feel like these shoes are definitely like a must-have in your collection, especially because they are on trend at the moment. I'm pretty much gonna pair these shoes with most of the outfits. So when I was on the website, I had a look at their accessories, and I don't know why, but these headbands caught my eye. I've never really been into wearing headbands or have been a headband type of girl, but they really styled them well on the website. The pictures were just gorgeous with the model with them on, so I had to pick them up. I personally think that this headband with this outfit is really cute. I did get a black one as well, which I'll pop on, show you guys how I styled it. Basically, I just curled my hair and then I put it on like that, and then I just made sure you couldn't see my ears. So like all my hair was at the front. I don't know why I like it. I just think it looks really cute, sophisticated, a bit different, but Also really, really girly. What do you guys think of the headband? Also, I picked up this bag, so I thought this would be a cute little outfit. If you guys have seen the new Prada bags, this is literally identical. Like the material, it's a nylon finish. You can detach this, I'm not sure why, maybe it's just for looks. I've been trying to find a really cute, specifically nylon bag. When I went onto the website, I was like, oh my God, that can't be. Because it just reminded me so much of the black Prada bag. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's a perfect size. It's like the perfect everyday bag. Like I know I'll be wearing this a lot. This one was also really, really affordable as well. When I saw the price, I was like, what? But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I love this bag so much. Also, while I'm here, I did pick up these twisted hoops. I've had these before, but I lost them in Queensland, so I had to pick them up again. Super, super cute. I love jewelry, as you may have known. I'm always decked out in jewelry. I freaking love it. I absolutely love these twisted hoops, and I thought they looked really cute with this outfit. Okay, next item I picked up. Holy shit. I just decided to keep the white pants on because I thought that the ribbed on ribbed looked really cute together. So this is a mint green ribbed cropped top. Obviously, it's got buttons down the middle, but I like this look of just having the one button in the middle. It was styled like this on the website, and that's what really drew me to the top. But this one is in a size 8. I feel like it's a good size. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's like perfect. It is tight on the arms, but I think that's just the style of the top. I did also get a beach hat, which I surprisingly have never owned in my life. I don't know why. I've had the caps, but I've never had the beach hats. I also feel like this top would look super cute with some denim shorts or even a skirt. Let's try the hat on. Oh my God. I don't know if I'm a hat person, but I just have never owned one. Okay, I think, wait, maybe, is this how you wear it? I think I got a size medium because I do actually have a pretty big head. The medium fits well. I feel like if I got a small, I guess it doesn't really go on like that, does it? It just sits on the top of your head. This is a cute outfit. I'm here for it. I love it. I didn't actually expect me to suit a hat like this, but I actually really like it, especially for the beach, even a festival. I love this outfit. So I put the denim pants on for reference. I didn't actually pick these up this time around. I've had them in my wardrobe for about, I don't know, 6 to 8 months now. But these are the relaxed A brand shorts. I'll also leave a link for these down below. But how freaking cute does this top look like with a pair of shorts? I absolutely love it. These shorts are also in a size 10, really good size. I literally hate when denim shorts are digging in or they're too tight. I'll always go a size up, but I find that the size 10 in the A brand denim is a really good size for me. So yeah, this is such a vibe. Oh my God. I saw this top on Shani's video. She did a little Princess Polly haul and she made it look so cute with a mesh bra underneath it. I think she ended up wearing a white one. So when I chose this outfit, I was like, okay, I want the bralette to match the skirt. So I found like a coral bralette, which I'll show you guys when I take this off. And I found a matching skirt, and it's, I can't. I feel like this is my date night outfit. I love it. It's just super sexy. It's still a bit sophisticated. It doesn't show off too much, but it still does because you can see underneath it. I absolutely love it. I did end up getting this top in a size 8 because on the model it did look oversized. The bralette I did get a medium, and I'm glad that I did because I don't think the small would have fit my cup size. It is a bit loose around the back, but I would way prefer it to be looser than tight. But I feel like the medium is a perfect fit bra wise. I'll show you guys a skirt. It is to die for. Okay, I'm popping on the heel so we can see what it looks like in full effect. This is literally like my date night outfit goal. It is quite tight fitted. I did get a size 10. So when you get it, you can wear it down there if you want it to be like a midi skirt, and then you can tie it up as high as you want it. So I'll just tie it up a little bit. So the option is there if you did prefer to wear the skirt a bit longer. You can just adjust it here on the sides as you saw me just do. How freaking cute do the heels look like with this outfit? I'm dead. So I actually am wearing nipple covers underneath this bralette. If I wasn't to wear them, you would literally see my nipples. But it is honestly the most beautiful bralette. As I said, I got a size medium, super comfortable, not itchy. You could obviously wear this underneath any sort of mesh top or any, like even it would look cool under like a white blazer, like not done up completely, or even just like one button blazer. That would look really cute on. But I'm honestly obsessed with this outfit. This is definitely my favorite. So the next top I picked up was this white halter neck one. I love it so much, and I love that you can actually tie it in the back. So I got a size 10, I think, which is a good size for me. It is quite roomy and you can adjust it to however tight or as loose as you want it. But I just decided to pair these with some denim shorts. I think this is a really, really cute like lunch outfit or even beach outfit. Obviously you could wear this dressed up or dressed down. I feel like it can be worn casually or dressed up. Even like a nice pair of skinny jeans would look really cool with this top as well. The material is kind of like a coarse, stretchy jean material, but like fake jean material. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but it's like a stretchy material. It's really, really nice. Oh my God, stop. Okay, so I didn't actually get this top this time round. I've worn it to absolute death. It's one of my favorite crops. I did check the website and it's still on there. So yeah, this is like a beige long sleeve crop. This one's in a size 10. It fits me really well. But I got this skirt pretty much to match any sort of cropped top like this. How freaking sexy is this outfit? I absolutely love it. This skirt feels amazing, and I like that it's stretchy and it doesn't have a zip. So it basically just slips on and slips off. I got a size 10 in this and it's like the perfect size for me. This really hugs your figure really nicely without sort of making you bulge out everywhere. I have tried a few skirts like this like in store and they just haven't worked for me, but I absolutely love this. I'm also wearing the white shoes and I think a beige bag or even a black bag would look so cute with an outfit like this. Last but not least, I picked up a white dress version of the blue top that I tried on earlier. Okay, firstly, who am I? What have I done with jazz? Because I've never really been into dresses, ever. I'm such like a crop and skirt or pant type of girl, especially if I'm going out or if I want to dress up. I'll always opt for a skirt or pants or even shorts and a crop. Literally every single time. I don't know what's gotten into me. These dresses that are really open here and they have the little fluffy sleeves have just really caught my attention. And yeah, I picked up this dress. I know. What the hell? I freaking love it. I probably would have to say I would definitely go up a size in this. So if you're a size 8 normally, the 10 would fit you perfectly. Obviously if you've got bigger boobs than me, definitely size up, but I'll show you guys what it looks like from here down. Okay, so this is the dress. As I said, I feel like it's just a little bit too snug around here because it does actually button up. There is no stretch to this material, it's just full cotton. But I absolutely love the cut, I love the style, I love the way that it sits on your body. So there you have it guys, that is everything that I picked up this time round from Princess Polly. Don't forget to use my discount code if you decide to check it out. I'll leave it on the screen again and in the description box down below. Like this video if you want to see more clothing hauls on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did.